Hello, everyone. I'm Nicola Robecchi from Wilden and the WDT agency, and I'm very glad to be part of this convention and this focus group on food, as I believe this is one of the leverage topic that can make our system working much better in the next years, especially to really go against all the poverty and as well as the climate change problematics that decrease the access to good food and ingredients. Recipes for 2030, I have to say there is not one perfect recipe, but it's made of very small detail, and we have to fight from every corner to increase community engagement and bottom-up approach and reverse planning for agriculture, as well as education for nutrition and cooking. Thank you very much.